I'm Girlz.
I'm Sophia.
I'm Janaya.
I'm Nevaeh.
I'm Sanaz. And I'm Mariana.
And today we're going to be doing tie-dye shirts. Here's what we'll be needing. We have our t-shirts.
That's mine.
This is Ori's.
So we'll need our white t-shirts. We have our dye, gloves, and we also have rubber bands. So what we'll first be doing is you want to take your t-shirt like this. And I'm going to do mine first as an example. You're going to lay it out on the table. And you kind of want to pinch the shirt and then make a circle with it. And this is just so if you want to do the swirl pattern. Once you have that, you can wrap it all around.
So cool.
And then this is where
You can
the rubber bands come into play. So you're just going to wrap your shirt in rubber bands. And it doesn't have to be perfect because the dye is going to get where it needs to be. So I have mine finished, and it should look like this, or just like a bundle of fabric. So here's ones that already have the dye in it from the last time that we used this. Now we have all of our shirts wrapped up and ready to be dyed. What you're also gonna need is some grocery bags so that you don't get your area all messy. And also just so that you have a nice place to dry. So we have the kit where these come with the powder in it. So all you have to do is add water. So we're going to do that real quick. And you want to fill it right to the neck.
Right to the neck. Whoa, hers looks really cool.
And then once you're done with that, you have to shake it up.
Hey, it's my color. Kinda.
Be careful, hold this top. Now that we have our colors all picked out, we have to get the shirts wet. Now we're going to dip our shirts in the water to get them all down. I'm going to wait.
Oh no, that was so good.
Now that we've dampened our shirts, we're going to start dyeing our shirts.
I'm gonna start off with this color.
I'm going to start off with purple, and then I'm going to go in with pink. And you guys can wear gloves if you want to make sure you don't get any of the dye on your hands. Okay.
And we're everywhere. Okay.
Here we go. Just make sure that you have the dye evenly dispersed in your shirt. It's okay.
Well, right now I'm doing Christmas colors.
Ooh.
I'm just trying to do a light tie-dye shirt because I don't want it to just be plain colors. I want it to be bright and I want it to stand out.
Make sure that you get the dye in all the little creases because that's if you want your shirt to be completely covered in color. But if you want that kind of whitewash look, then you'll be okay leaving some spots blank. But right now, I'm just doing a purple and pink pattern with my shirt.
Whoa, mine's turning purple a little bit, so I guess I don't like purple.
A few moments later.
Ooh, Ari, you're so close.
Yeah.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, I'm gonna flip mine over now.
Anybody have the teal? Thanks.
2,000 years later.
This can also be done with t-shirts, tank tops, sweatshirts, or any kind of like top like that.
It also work on like mostly any white fabric that you have.
Yeah. Work on a blanket.
Ooh, that's a good one. I'm going in and making sure that my shirt is fully covered.
I'm not. I think mine's good now.
I'm just like rubbing it for some reason.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So now I have, I think mine is my tie-dye shirt. It's all done.
Mine is all done too.
This is my finished touch. Oh, just adding it on. I'm almost done. I just want it colorful.
Here's my finished product.
Here's my finished product. Squishy.
This is mine. Kind of dark. I think I could.
Wrap this up in the bag.
Make it dye all my hands.
Now that we're finished dyeing our shirts, we're gonna let them sit for 2 to 3 hours so that the color can get absorbed. And then after that, we're gonna pop them in the dryer so that we can see our finished product.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, so we're back. So now we can take out our shirts out of the bag to see what they look like.
This is the finished product. If yours is not dry by now, you can either let it sit to dry or you can put it in the dryer.
Oh, one last thing. We are doing a giveaway where we give away a limited edition tie-dye tag team merch.
To enter into the giveaway, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Make sure you share this video on your Facebook or Instagram. In order for us to see your entry, make sure your post is public. And if you want to purchase our merch, we have hoodies, iPhone cases, and shirts. And make sure you click the link down below, thealangirls.com.
That wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye!